Hey, what's up you guys? Makeups out here. Welcome back to my channel. If you hear noise in the background, my daughter is watching TV and playing with her toys, so as always try to ignore that. As you can see from the title of this video and the lack of makeup on my face, today I'm playing around with a new eyeshadow palette. Well, it really isn't new. It's been out for a couple of months now, and I've just been sitting on it and I haven't used it because I wanted to wait until now to play around with it and see if I liked it and see how it performed and all of that, which is, as you already know, the Alyssa Edwards Palette, which is the Alyssa Edwards and Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Now when I saw this palette, you didn't even see it. Now when I saw this palette, I was really excited because first of all, I love drag queens. You guys may not know this because I don't talk about it on my channel at all, but I love RuPaul's Drag Race. I am always watching videos on YouTube of drag queens doing their makeup, wondering how in the world they get their eyebrows to, or how they can get their eyebrows to be reconfigured onto a different spot on their head and they still look bomb AF. Somebody please help me understand, because I don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and take the palette out, and then this is what the palette looks like outside of the packaging. It's just the exact same on the front of the palette, and then on the back it says always and forever Alyssa Edwards. And this is what the palette looks like. And now I lost the brush. Where did it go? I don't think I'm going to do any swatches because I'm pretty sure there's a lot of other people who did swatches of this palette. So I'm just going to go right in with some type of look. I don't really know what I want to do yet. I really want to use this blue, this yellow, and this pink, which is a lot. So we're going to figure this out. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be mixing together NYX eyeshadow base in white, Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and also a little bit of LA Girl Pro Concealer because it's always gone. And a little bit of LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan because it's almost gone. I think I'm going to start off with Supreme and Ho. And I'm just going to put that above my crease. I still have the plastic on here. I'm thinking about going into this blue, but I'm also thinking that might be a bad idea. So what I think I'm going to do is actually go into Unicorn Tribe right here and put that just below back roll and into that yellow. Okay, I think I do want to go into that blue. Now I'm going to go in with blue. Now I'm going to take that purple. Alright you guys, that is this first look. I will be doing another look in the next scene after this one. Alright you guys, I'm back and I'm bald. You thought I was going to say I'm back and I'm better, didn't you? Gotcha. Alright, so I put the palette back in the box. Why? I have no idea. I'm going to be doing a second look with this eyeshadow palette.
We driving Walmart is fucked up, so bitch, I crashed in my back seat for a couple of hours, and
I'm going to do something a little bit different this time. I'm going to wait to do my eyebrows after my eyeshadow. This time I'm going to be mixing these three. This is NYX eyeshadow base in white. This is BH Cosmetics Total Control Concealer, and this is Alright you guys, for foundation today I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Matte Foundation. I would return this foundation, but it is past the date that I can return it because I got this around the same time that I got this palette. And it's been like 2-3 months maybe a little bit more than that, and can't return it, so I have to use it or give it away, and I don't want to do that, so we're going to be using it. I went to Ulta to buy this foundation, and I got color matched by one of the estheticians there, and I was wearing makeup that day, so I'm not completely sure if this is 100% my color. Usually when I buy foundation, I don't let other people color match me because I'm so used to getting it myself, and I kind of know what my color is. But she came up to me all excited and wanted to... Okay, let's see, we're gonna blend it out. She came up to me all excited when I was looking at the foundation and wanted to help me, and I got the shade Kenya. It's 200. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Okay, so that is the foundation all put on. I'm going to go do the rest of my face off camera as well, and I will be right back. I'm using the Dose of Colors and Disney collaboration, and this is in the shade Infinite. Now I'm using a Dose of Colors glitter gloss. Now I'm using Dose of Colors glitter gloss in the color Goals. Now I'm using Dose of Colors in the shade Sleepless. I love this palette. I think it is so cute. I love that they don't have the traditional velvet like they did with the Norvina palette and the Modern Renaissance palette. As soft as these feel and as pretty as this lavender velvet looks, it just gets really dirty really fast. It just stays like that. There's really nothing you can do. And I actually do wipe my palettes off sometimes. I just don't want them to be extremely dirty. I know palettes get dirty. That's it for this video. If you want to follow me on any of my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, and all of that stuff is down in the description box down below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Optimist, Sagittarius, so you know I'm an optimist. Man, keep it all real, I'm a prophetess. So at least you took an L off your bucket list. It's time to make hits and it's time to diss. How you still kiss and still can't find some hits? Was it worth it, dummy? I ain't mind a bit. Still on that show, getting no chips, time to dip. For a second, I thought my hair was pink. I was about to say, honey, 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 what did you do? Nice. Let's be real. Well, you bitches wanna look like me. Wanna be in demand, get look like me. Wanna in the lab and cook like me. But ain't me and you hoes cause you good like me. Cause he's so good as ex wanna still fight me. They so pretty bitches wish they kiss like me. She just mad cause he lit up with a ice like me. I killed all my niggas with they